many you got left?
It's the last hand sanitizer on the block, you heard?
Oh.
$10 will probably kill him.
Yeah, what's up, man? What you guys got over there?
Okay, keep it moving, yo. We got nothing for you, man.
Yo, man. Yo, let me see everything you got.
Yo, me and my man ready to fight for hours, so what's up, B?
What's up?
What's up?
What he said. What's up? Yo, I'm about to cough on you motherfuckers.
What, yo?
Word to my motherfucking mother. I'm about to fucking cough on you motherfuckers. What's up?
Yo, we playing with you, yo.
What's up? Chill.
Yo, what you need?